Hello everyone, my name is Andy. Today is Thursday, October 12th. Time is around 6:20 GMT, and we will have a look at the DAX futures on the OneDAP platform. So here we are looking at the daily chart just to show you that, we are basically looking at two scenarios. A scenario where the wave 2 is finished right here after a WXY correction, and a scenario that looks more or less like this here indicated in red, where the first WXY correction was just the first leg, a wave W of a bigger WXY correction. And if we get this bigger WXY correction, then the path should be that we first go into this wave X area from here, and that we then have another three waves move down, probably here into the wave 2 area. So this is what we are looking at. And so now what is an important what is important to observe, I think, like if we further move into this area without really having a pullback, then I think we should be careful with the next leg down, because I believe it can break immediately this low here. If we would, let's say, return from here without first reaching this area here, then I believe the low will hold for some time. Then I would expect this kind of move, like a three-wave move up. So if we return from here, we will have a swing down and then a swing up again into this area. And so this area we can find by taking here the length of the wave, the length of our wave Y, wave W, I mean this wave W, and then here the area between the 0.5 and the 0.854 FIB retracement is an area from where we can reverse, just like we reversed from this area here, for instance, the equal leg area of a WXY correction, and this area we found by taking the length of the wave W, the length of the wave X, and then here this area between the 1 and the 1.618 extension is an area from where we had a perfect reaction here. We touched it and we moved up. So then, like as you can see, this cycle downward is finished. Now we are in an upward cycle. But like I said, that does not mean that we will immediately start a new wave 3 up here. So if this is the wave 1 and this here is the wave 2, we should start a wave 3. But I'm telling you, we can get an additional leg down. We did not reach the wave 2 area, and so for now this is actually a very shallow wave 2. And if we get another leg down, then the way to go there would be to have soon like a pullback from here, holding this low, pull back and then up again in 3 swings, W, X, Y, or A, B, C. And then from here we can have 3 swings down again, 1, 2, 3. If we like just continue like this into this area, I would be careful with buying this pullback, because then there is a chance that or 3 swings are somewhere hidden here, and that we cannot really see it. Like if we go to the lower time frame, if we go to the 4-hour, for the moment, I see 3 swings, but not 3 swings reaching this area. So I would expect, so for now we have like yeah, maybe I go to the 1 hour, because there we have annotations. Like I see a tree swing from here, A, B, C, indicated in red. But yeah, we did not reach this area yet. So therefore, I would now label this scenario as a WXY. If we start to pull back from here, it's after three swings, and then we should have a wave X down again in 3, and then another a wave Y here up again in 3. So this is the situation for the moment. However, if we just continue into this area, then here this can be our 3 swings, and this then can actually be enough for a wave X correction to be in. And then it means that if we come down, that this low does not has to hold anymore. On the other hand, if we come down from here, I would expect this low to hold. So even in the bearish scenario in red, because then the move that I would expect would be so a move down from here, and then then we are actually missing another swing for a corrective move. And then I think we should have another move up here into this area. So this is actually basically the bearish scenario, where we have an additional corrective leg down. So therefore, we need this wave X. But like I told you, could also be that our correction in the higher time frame was finished here, and then what we need to see here is indicated in green, is actually an impulse up, as shown here in green. And for the moment, I'm still thinking we do not have the five waves. For me, this is still 3 waves, 1, 2, 3 here. So we have a very extended wave 3. But yeah, that should not really be a problem. This can be quite normal for wave 3s. But I do not really see a wave 4 in here for now. What I see is, okay, there is here something that could go for a wave 4, but this looks more to me the subwaves of the wave 3. Like the subwaves of the wave 3, in my opinion, look like this. So like a 1, a 2, then here wave 3 of 3, the strongest one, like pullback as a wave 4, and then now like the 5th wave of the wave 3 that we are doing. So here I put this in a lower degree. So I would label it like this for now. But so that still means that we are missing the 4th and the 5th swing. For a 4th wave, what I would like to see is breaking this trend line here and then going up again, ending with divergence. This would be the textbook impulse. And then we could have our wave 1 right here. And then, more importantly, what then has to happen is, if we go down here, that we hold this low. Then we need a corrective wave in 3, 1, 2, 3, which would then be our wave 2, and then we should be ready to go. So this is what I'm currently looking at. So I think for me the most important is that this is still 3 waves. What we see right here, we do not have our 4th and 5th wave. So as long as we have 3 waves, this can still be a WXY structure playing out right here. So 3 waves is corrective, 5 waves is impulsive. Yeah, however, what also could happen, but that's then maybe for a later video. If we get 5 waves, then this can actually also be a wave A, then wave B down, and then wave C up again. But yeah, that does not really matter for now. This will matter if we get an ABC here instead of a WXY, then the ABC only matters once we are here in this area. But for now, that's not important. But it's something that can play out. Okay, that's my analysis for today. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work. And I see you tomorrow for another video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.